Hello guys, come back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your Opay app. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what you have to do is for you to go over to the search area and go over to searching Opay. Let me go over to it right here, and this is it over here. And what you have to do is for you to go over here, and at this side is showing updates. You just have to go over to it and tap it, and tapping updates, you updating your Opay app, you're going to get the latest version of it. So guys, this is how you will be able to update your Opay app. And so this is it, and it's just done downloading. And what you have to do is for you to go over to open, and it will take you over to your Opay app. So you just have to log in, and you're going to see different changes here. You're going to see the latest features here. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.